Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make these flappy ears for my bunnies. Okay, you see this is the Mrs. Bunny, the big flappy ear. I've also got baby bunny with little flappy ears. So today I'm just going to show you how to make like this size, and then will tell you in the link how to make them that big, to make them bigger if you are dealing with a bigger bunny. So yes, let's dive into it. To do this, I will need some plushy wool. I will need a scissors, crochet hook, and a sewing needle. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, let's get going. This is my magic ring. So I'm going to work 6 single crochet. This is the first chain. I don't count that. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the magic ring. Then I tighten my magic ring by pulling that. Okay, I normally use a scrap yarn as my marker, as you can see. Now into the 6 single crochet. Mind you, I'm not going to join with a slip stitch. I'm just going to carry on with my marker there to mark my position. I'm going to work 2 single crochet, 1, 2, then into the third one, increase, work 2 single crochets. That's an increase. Then I will do 2 single crochets again into the 4th and the 5th. Then I'm going to do an increase into the 6th one. That gives me 8 single crochets. Into the next one, I'm now going to go into round 3. Round 3, because I've now got 8 single crochets, I'm now going to increase to 12. So I will work 1 single crochet to make sure this is straight. By the way, I'm using a 5mm crochet hook because my plushy wool is quite thick. So 1 single crochet, 1 increase into the second one. Into the third, I do 1 single crochet and an increase. So again 1 single crochet and an increase. And the last one, 1 single crochet and an increase. So by the end of this round, I should have 12 single crochets. The next round, I'm just going to single crochet right round into the 12 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 single crochets. Okay, the next row 5, I'm going to do an increase. I'm going to do 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets, and an increase. I increase 1, 2, another 2 single crochets into the next ones, and then my second increase. I'll be doing 4 increases in total, 2 single crochets and an increase. This is my third increase. Again, 2 single crochets and an increase. The 6th round, I'm going to do single crochets into the 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 single crochets. Now the next round, which is going to be my 7th round, I'm going to do the last round of increases. So here I'm going to do 3 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and an increase, 1, 2 into the same single crochet. I'll go again, 1, 2, 3, and an increase. This is my second increase. I'll continue, 1, 2, 3. That's my third increase. 1, 2, 3. That's my 4th increase. Okay, now from this point onwards, I am going to work rows 8 to 12, which is like 5 rows, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to work 5 rows of single crochet right round into the 20, because I should have 20 after this last increase. I should have 20 single crochets, so I'm going to work 5 rows of single crochets. I'll meet you at the top when we've done the 5 rows of single crochets. Okay, now we're done with our 5 rows of just doing single crochet around the 20 stitches, and I now move my marker there. We want to now start doing the decreases to shape our bunny ear. So, okay, we start off by single crochet into 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we now do a front loop decrease by going into the front loop decrease. We do another 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again a decrease, a front loop decrease. Here we are. That's the end of round 1. round 2, sorry, not round 2 of our decrease, which is like around 14, we do 7 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 single crochets. Then we do our front loop decrease. We do another 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again we do our front loop decrease. Okay, we've now done 4 decreases, which means by now we are down to 16. So we are going to continue like that. The row number 15, we do 6 decrease, 6 decrease. The next row, 5 decrease, 5 decrease, 4 decrease, 4 decrease, until we come to the 18th row. So let's continue like that, decreasing 2, 2 on every row. Like this time we are now going to count. We started by doing 8 and a decrease, then 7 and a decrease. We are now doing 6 and a decrease until we get to 3 and a decrease. We'll meet at the top. This is what our ear should be looking like. Now we're going to work the last decrease row, where we will do 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 single crochet and a decrease, working into the front loops only. Then 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and a decrease, working into the front loops only. Okay, now we just want to work 1 row of 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we are just going to close off with a slip stitch right at the end. We cut off our yarn, leave enough for sewing. There we are. That's our bunny ear done. Got 2 of them to just give you an indication of the size of this bunny ear. This is about 17 centimeters. 17 centimeters is the length of my bunny, and the widest portion is about 8 centimeters. So those are your bunny ears to fit like a small bunny. So what you will do is, if you are making a bunny which is larger, needing larger ears than this, then instead of increasing to 20, you can increase to whatever, to 24, to 28. And instead of doing the 5 rows of single crochet, you can make them 6 or 7. And then obviously when you decrease, it will make it bigger and longer. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll try them out on your bunny and you'll be successful.